Let's face it, gym memberships can be expensive, time-consuming, and sometimes intimidating. Maybe you've tried going consistently, but life always gets in the way. Maybe you've promised yourself you'd start working out, only to feel overwhelmed by all the complicated routines and endless equipment. Here's the good news. You don't need a fancy gym, weights, or machines to get in shape. You don't even need to leave your house. In fact, some of the most effective workouts in the world can be done using nothing but your own body weight, right in your living room. So ask yourself this: what's really stopping you from getting stronger, fitter, and more energized? Is it the lack of equipment, the lack of time, or just not knowing what actually works? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. Millions of people are looking for real results without all the noise, and that's exactly what we're going to give you today. In this video, we'll walk you through home workouts that actually work, all of them equipment-free, science-backed, and designed to help you build strength, burn fat, and boost endurance right now, no matter where you're starting. The beauty of bodyweight training is that it meets you where you are. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who just wants to shake up your routine, bodyweight workouts can be adapted to any fitness level. And the best part? They're incredibly efficient. You don't need an hour. In just 15 to 30 minutes a day, you can create a consistent workout habit that transforms your body and your mindset. The key is form, consistency, and progression, not equipment. Let's start with the cornerstone of bodyweight training: push-ups. This simple move targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. Done correctly, it builds upper body strength fast and lays the foundation for more advanced movements. But push-ups aren't one-size-fits-all. You can modify them to fit your level. Start on your knees, try incline push-ups using a wall or bench, and as you get stronger, work toward perfect form on your toes. Over time, increase reps or explore variations like wide grip, diamond, or explosive push-ups. Every version activates your muscles differently, giving you a full upper body workout without ever needing a dumbbell. Next up, we have squats, your ultimate lower body builder. Squats engage your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. Done with good form, they mimic the movements you do every day: sitting, standing, climbing, and improve your mobility, balance, and posture. Start with basic bodyweight squats and aim for depth and control. Make sure your knees stay behind your toes and your back stays straight. As you improve, challenge yourself with jump squats or pistol squats. Squats not only tone your legs, but also increase calorie burn thanks to the large muscle groups involved. Let's move to another essential movement: planks. Planks are one of the best core exercises out there, and they do more than just sculpt your abs. A proper plank strengthens your shoulders, back, hips, and glutes, all while improving your posture and stability. Start by holding a forearm plank for 20 to 30 seconds, working up to a full minute or more. Engage your entire body, keeping a straight line from head to heels. If you want to add intensity, try side planks, plank jacks, or shoulder taps. What makes planks so powerful is their ability to engage multiple muscles without movement. It's all about control, not speed. Cardio is another major pillar of effective home workouts. And no, you don't need a treadmill or jump rope to get your heart pumping. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, uses short bursts of effort followed by brief rest, and it's one of the most time-efficient ways to burn fat and build endurance. Think burpees, mountain climbers, jumping jacks, and high knees. Set a timer: 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest, repeated for 10 to 20 minutes. These dynamic, explosive moves not only torch calories, but keep your metabolism elevated long after your workout is over. It's not about duration, it's about intensity. Let's not forget about lunges. Lunges build strength, stability, and coordination, especially in your legs and glutes. They mimic real-world movements and correct muscle imbalances that squats alone might miss. Begin with static lunges: 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Then progress to walking lunges, reverse lunges, or jump lunges. Focus on form: knee over ankle, chest lifted, and core engaged. Lunges help develop balance and are great for toning your lower body without stressing your joints when done properly. One underrated movement is the glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips while squeezing your glutes. This move is incredibly effective at targeting the posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. It strengthens the muscles that support your spine and prevent lower back pain. One more challenge: try single-leg glute bridges or hold a bridge for 30 seconds at the top. It's simple, safe, and surprisingly effective for toning and strengthening your backside. Another great movement for both beginners and pros is the bear crawl. This full-body movement engages your shoulders, chest, core, and legs. Start on all fours. Lift your knees an inch off the ground and crawl forward and backward while keeping your back flat. It's more challenging than it looks and forces your muscles to stabilize and coordinate together. Bear crawls boost endurance, improve agility, and wake up your entire nervous system. Plus, they're fun and dynamic. Now, let's talk progression. A lot of people think you need weights to get stronger, but that's not true. Progressive overload, the principle of increasing stress on the body to build strength, can be achieved without equipment. How? By increasing reps, slowing your tempo, reducing rest times, or trying more advanced variations of each exercise. For example, go from standard squats to jump squats, or from planks to plank reaches. Keep challenging your body, and it will respond by getting stronger, leaner, and more capable. But let's be honest, working out at home comes with its own challenges. Distractions, lack of motivation, limited space. That's why the most important muscle to train is your mindset. Push-ups for upper body, squats and lunges for lower body, plank for your core, hit for fat burn, and stretches for recovery. All of these are free, accessible, and proven to deliver results when done consistently. You can mix and match them into circuits, challenge yourself with intervals, or follow along with free guided sessions online. You have the time, you have the space, and now you have the knowledge. The only question left is, will you do it? You don't need permission. You don't need perfection. You just need to start. Start messy. Start tired. Start busy. Just start. Because once you do, everything else will follow. Energy, strength, confidence, discipline. And once you feel that first breakthrough, that first moment when your body surprises you, you'll never look back. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, inspired you, or motivated you to get moving, do us a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs a push to get started. New content drops every week with home workouts, fitness tips, and no BS advice to keep you growing. You got this. Let's get stronger together.